Introducing 30mm Class 1 Division 2 pilot devices from C3controls. Our product line includes a wide selection of contact blocks, 35-degree angled stainless steel screws and self-lifting wire clamps, and a mounting bracket to ensure contacts remain snug against the operator. All with the ability to mix and match for a wide variety of product styles and colors. However, it's what's on the inside that counts, and that's why we include a one-cam design for any combination switch, a nickel-plated D10 and stainless steel hardware on all non-illuminated push-pull operators, and a Teflon-coated U-cup seal to keep things out. Our pilot lights can also accommodate a multi-voltage light module, low-energy LED lamps for up to 100,000 hours, and up to 10 million mechanical operations. Our 30mm Hazardous pilot devices are easy to install and environmentally secure with 44X and IP65 ratings. C3controls offers same-day shipping, cost savings, a lifetime warranty, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Shop today at c3controls.com.